Well, hello. If you're here, is because you probably want to learn about a medication. And let's see what medication we're learning about today. Well, looking at the spilled bottle on the counter, I think we're learning information about Lisinopril. That's amazing. Today we're going to be learning and explaining the medication, mechanisms of actions, important patient teaching, indications of use, potential side effects, what to watch out for, and how often it should be taken. Okay, so let's start by why are you taking this medication? Well, let's put it into perspective and imagine this scenario. You go to the doctor, you've been to the doctor many times, they've told you that you had high blood pressure, some issue with your kidneys, and your doctor prescribed to you Lisinopril. Well, you move cities, you have a new doctor, they don't know your history, they want to get to know you better, right? So your doctor asks you, so why are you taking Lisinopril? Well, it's your time to shine. Like, it's about to go down. You tell her, but then you think about it. You know what the medication looks like, but out of sight, out of mind, you have no idea what it does. And let's be honest, you've only looked at that bottle like the day they gave it to you. Other than that, you have no clue what any of that means. Well, I'm here to help you. Because you literally just told your doctor, I just take it because I think it's for my blood pressure. You think? You shouldn't be thinking. You should know what your medication is for, right? So why are you taking this medication? Well, Lisinopril helps your heart and blood work better. It relaxes your blood vessels so your blood can flow more easily. That helps internally lower your blood pressure. It also helps your heart not work as hard. Some people take it to protect their kidneys or help after a heart attack. Basically, bottom line, it helps your heart, blood, and kidneys stay healthy. Well, all that information just made your blood pressure just hit the ceiling, I bet. But to understand it, you really have to understand what you're looking at, right? So you have 100 tablets. Cestral will be the brand name for this example. The generic name is going to be Lisinopril. And per each tablet, you have 20 milligrams of Lisinopril. This medication is only prescribed, right? It can only be given by your doctor. You can't get it at over the counter, at Walgreens or something like that. And AstraZeneca is the pharmaceutical company, right? So now that we understand that, we got to understand how it goes through your body and what it actually does. The mechanism of action. Let's use our imagination. I'll put up a diagram on your right so you can really, really look at it and understand it, okay? So the top will be without Lisinopril and the bottom will be with Lisinopril. Lisinopril is an ACE inhibitor. It means that it blocks something called angiotensin converting enzyme, or ACE enzyme, in your body. Okay, normally this enzyme makes a chemical called angiotensin 2, which tightens your blood vessels, makes your body hold on to salt and water. But when you take Lisinopril, right, it blocks this enzyme. Your blood vessels relax and they widen, your blood pressure goes down, your heart doesn't have to work as hard, your kidneys are protected from damage caused by high blood pressure, which high blood pressure causes damage to your kidneys. That is important to know. In short, Lisinopril lowers blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and reducing strain on the heart. So here are some important things to keep in mind for you as a patient. So we don't have to see you at the doctor's office that often because of your blood pressure. Okay? Purpose. It lowers blood pressure. Helps the heart work better. How to take it. You take it once a day at the same time, with or without food. Don't stop suddenly. And always watch out for dizziness. Make sure you stand up slowly. Swelling of the face, lips, and tongue. You always call your provider. Persistent cough, headache, or tiredness. And you should avoid high potassium supplements unless told by your doctor. You should also avoid pregnancy. And a good tip and trick is to check your blood pressure regularly. And to drink enough water. Now that I know that you are well educated, I can look at you and you can look at me, and you can take that medication with confidence, okay?